Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Spectrum remote volume not working in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply replace the remote batteries with the new ones. The weak batteries can cause the volume buttons to stop responding even if other buttons work. So after doing this, you just have to reprogram your remote. For that, you just have to press and hold the TV and the OK buttons together until the LED light turns on. Then you need to enter the correct TV code for your brand and use auto search mode. This reconnects the volume control to your TV. Afterwards, you just have to simply check the volume lock feature. Just make sure that the remote is set to control your TV volume and not the cable box. You can also adjust this in the remote settings if it is needed. Afterwards, you just have to restart your TV and the cable box, unplug them for about 1 minute and then turn them back on. This is going to help refresh the connection. So you can try all of these methods one by one and you can see your Spectrum report volume working again properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.